Hi, I'm Diana. This is a little special episode about what goes under your clothes, what touches your body. It might be clothing that only you know is there. It's very important to how you feel. And I want to talk about how owning great things can help you make your closet more minimal and work best for you. You gonna be back there? Boss is gonna stay. So I would like to bring up 3 things that are super important to me, and that is bras, tanks, and bodysuits. Because I have recently experienced really good quality bras, tanks, and bodysuits. First things first, we're always talking about French girl style and bras. And maybe you don't care about French girl style, but everybody cares about bras, whether you want to or not. So I want to talk about the stretch lace Sweetheart Bralette from Quince. Look how gorgeous. This looks like lingerie, feels like a sports bra. And I love this detail. This little lacy bit here. This comes in a 2-pack, first of all. So you get a black and a flesh-colored one, and that is very handy. I don't really go for too many colors because I don't want to see them under my clothes. But this is why I like this particular bralette. Not only is it very comfortable and gives me a good shape, but it gives you the little peek of lingerie, of lace underneath. If it happens to pop out, it's pretty. And you know how I'm always talking about French girl style and how you want a softer, more natural profile. And I believe that this bralette has it. It's just natural. It's soft. It's not presented on a platter. It's not look at me. It's just like, here I am and I am me. Does that make sense? That's how I feel when I wear a more naturally shaped bra. Loved these bralettes, and they're so soft, so beautifully made. Look great. I was excited to show you. Let's talk about bodysuits really quick. These second skin bodysuits are insanely great. I wear this one all the time. This second skin bodysuit that is long sleeved, I wear this all the time. And I love it so much, I got it in 2 different colors. I got it in mocha and cocoa as well, and it's gorgeous. Now, this is great for wearing under a sweater, but it's also great for wearing alone, which I do all the time. Very stretchy. It almost feels like thick pantyhose, but you can't see through it. Look at that. Look at that. That's like magic. That's sorcery. Love this bodysuit so much. And my kitten, who's sleeping back there right now, Boss, he unfortunately snagged my shoulder when he was having a bit of fun when I wasn't ready for it. And I'm not happy about it, and I will be getting another one. But guess what? He snagged it, and it didn't run. It's not pantyhose. It's so sheer and so light and so stretchy, but it is not see-through. I love these bodysuits so much. Now I'm collecting them in every color in the tank form, and this looks incredible too. This is now my favorite tank bodysuit. And I have to be honest, let's talk about bodysuits for a second and how you have to snap them underneath, okay? Not the most incredibly welcoming feeling for me. I have a very long torso. So usually when I'm wearing these things around the house, I don't even snap them. And they don't pop out. When I'm going to step outside, I snap them. And even then, I find these to be long enough that they're not intrusive. To me, this bodysuit has been irreplaceable for my closet. The shape, the fabric, the comfort, I love this way too much. Now let's talk about these Tencel rib cropped knit tank. That's a long title. So Quince has this 3-pack of black tanks that are perfect. They are perfect for me. I am a black tank top enthusiast. I own probably 10, and I wear them to bed, and I wear them during the day. I love a good black tank. And this one is not too long, not too short, very stretchy, and made of Tencel. Now, I don't know if you know anything about Tencel fabric, but I just learned about it, and it's so bizarre. It's made of wood pulp. I know that sounds awful, but it's not. It's very soft. So if you have sensitivities to fabrics, which I kind of do have sensory issues like that, it's so soft and it's so stretchy. And not only that, it's really good with moisture. So if you're like premenopausal or menopausal and you tend to sweat a lot at night, not like I would know what that's like, these are amazing. And they come in a 3-pack. So you know what I did? I got the 3-pack and I got rid of 9 black tanks in my closet that were subpar. And that's what I like about having really good quality items. You can get rid of all of your subpar items and just concentrate on the good ones and enjoy your life. Really does make a difference. Boss has been sleeping in my cat catcher box back there the whole time. So listen, yes, these are all from Quince, but you can get them from wherever you want. I'm just saying that find some things that enhance your life, that feel great, that work well, and get rid of all the junk in your closet. Life is good when your items are good. I wish that had been more eloquent, but that's what I'm sticking with. I'll see you soon.